Hi everyone, today I will be talking about Cool Home model libraries. Currently, Cool Home has more than 300,000 models in its public library. It is very powerful to have such a large library of models, but at the same time, learning how to find the model you need becomes a required course. First, you need to understand the model library categories, which Cool Home divides into 11 categories. Here, hover your mouse over the top right of the model. You could check the information of each item. It is recommended to browse the subcategory pages one by one before design to have an overview of the contents from the public library. Second, if you want to find the model faster, you have to learn to search. Enter the English of the item that you are looking for. In general, you can quickly retrieve the model you want. Another tip is to use a search by image feature, which is always neglected. So let's take a look. Click the picture button above. You can upload products that are similar to the target model you're looking for. After uploading, the system will retrieve similar models from the public library for you. Pick the one, simply drag and drop. You can put it in your room. For the models that is commonly used, you can also bookmark by clicking on the star in the upper left corner. And then you can go to My Favorites to check it out. That's all the basics about Cool Home public model libraries. Thank you and see you next time.